Hey guys, this is TK. In this video we are going to take a look at ASA's basic threat detection feature. If you upgrade your Cisco ASA to 8.0 code, you will notice that basic threat detection will be turned on by default, and we are going to check this feature by doing a network-based scan from an outside host to an inside host. I have my ASA upgraded to 8.2 version. It's running 8.25, and also I have very basic configuration for my inside and outside interfaces with just IP addresses, and also I have an access list applied to outside interface, and this access list pretty much denying everything, and it's applied to outside interface. The basic threat detection is turned on like I mentioned earlier when you upgrade it to 8.0, and basic threat detection is on, and also threat detection for statistics for ACL is also turned on by default. So what we'll do is and also I have a syslog server configured, and it's actually sending syslogs right now, so we can verify if there's a syslog message related to basic threat detection. We should be able to capture that from our syslog server. So let's do a network scan from this 192.168.13.13 attacker to 192.168.1.7 victim. I'm going to do a port scan using Nmap. You notice that the port scan is going on right now. Let me stop the port scan, and let's take a look at this syslog message over here. Okay, so let's take a look at this syslog message over here that came up with syslog ID 733100, and this belongs to basic threat detection engine, and it's a scanning type, and it gave us two values: the current burst rate and current average rate of this scanning attack. And you can check the default values for this from documentation, and also you can check by show run all threat detection, and threat detection rate, scanning rate also shows you the default values for 10 seconds, actually 10 minutes average rate, and 1 hour average rate, and the burst rate for 10 minutes, and also for 1 hour. Also, one more thing I want to show you is that you can check show threat detection statistics, and you can see the current events per second and average events per second. If I launch this for this ACL, the outside ACL, which is applied to the outside interface, if I launch this attack again, you'll notice that these values will be up, the current values. Okay, so you'll see that the current events per second got incremented, And if we want to find out about the host and the IP addresses and any statistics regarding the monitored host for the basic threat detection, we have to enable threat detection statistics host. So we can do show threat detection statistics host. Right now it doesn't have any, so let's generate this attack again one more time. Let's take a look at this. Yeah, you see this the monitored host. Right now there are two monitored hosts, and which are these two hosts, and it's showing each host statistics. And also you can take a look at the rate. For the 10-minute access list drops, and also 10-minute scanning statistics. So basically the basic threat detection will generate syslog messages for any kind of a threat that it detects based on a scanning threat, a SYN attack, or ICMP, in any of that nature. However, it won't do any kind of a blocking unless you configure the advanced features of threat detection. It will generate syslog messages starting syslog ID 733100. And if you see any syslog messages coming out of your firewall with this ID, so you know that it's for basic threat detection, which is turned on by default. This is what I want to show you. It's just a quick overview of the default features of the basic threat detection. Thank you.